In the annals of Islamic history, there are names that echo through time, not for their wealth or power, but for their unwavering dedication to faith, justice, and the pursuit of unity. Among them stands Abdullah ibn Khazim al-Salami, a man whose life was a tapestry woven with courage, wisdom, and resilience. As a governor, warrior, and leader, he navigated the tumultuous seas of early Islamic expansion and governance, leaving behind a legacy of leadership that continues to inspire hearts today. What makes his story unforgettable is not merely the battles he fought or the lands he governed, but the principles he upheld in the face of adversity. Abdullah's life was a testament to the timeless values of integrity, loyalty, and compassion, offering lessons for every generation. Join us on this journey into his world, a story that reveals the trials and triumphs of a man who stood tall for his faith and people. As the sun set on the life of Abdullah ibn Khazim, what remained was not just the memory of his military conquests or administrative achievements but the enduring spirit of his character. His courage in the face of rebellion, his fairness in governance, and his deep commitment to the unity of the Muslim Ummah have etched his name in the pages of history. Abdullah ibn Khazim's story is more than history, it is a mirror reflecting the values that every leader and believer strives to embody. It is a tale of resilience against odds, of justice in the midst of chaos, and of faith as an unyielding anchor in life's storms. Let his legacy serve as a guide, reminding us of the power of principle and the impact one life can have when dedicated to the greater good. This is a story not just to remember but to live by.